So a lot of things when purchasing a property, you guys want to pay attention to, the yard size, the lot size. That's very important when it comes to a buy and flip. This typically adds a lot of, opens it up to more of a market, more family-oriented buyers versus, single couples without children. That shortens the days on the market, so you definitely want to pay attention to that. We're gonna start inside the property here. It's a semi-detached. Here, you guys can see we got the door. This particular deal where the investor who owned the property previously started doing some work, left the old knob and tube wiring inside, so that's one thing we have to get done is rewire. But it looks like there's all brand new windows in the property. Bathroom's probably going to be the only thing that needs any major remodel here. Gotta put the toilet, run the stack. We have the kitchen area, as you can see. It's already done. The back room should probably be used for a laundry room here, or pantry. Another entry door. So we go upstairs. The second floor, we have bedroom number 1. We have room number 2. Again, brand new windows throughout this property. Bathroom. Room number 3. We also have an attic that is actually looks like it's finished. Ceilings are finished, just have to add carpet. So this particular deal is a lay down deal in any market. Anytime you have scenarios such as this, you definitely don't want to wait on anything. You really want to get in here and move pretty fast. Got an entryway for a vent, for the heating system, going into the basement. It's an older property, but look, check this out, guys. There's a furnace already in that just needs to be hooked up, along with the water heater. That's a big, big bonus when you guys start seeing stuff like this in a house. This is exactly what you want to look for when searching for property. So we got like another, looks like it's like a old coal room. These rooms were probably used for coal. They used to shovel coal in through the window, and you would go in and shovel coal into your furnace, and that's how they heated these houses here, especially in Pennsylvania. You tend to have a lot of those in some of the older home basements. This particular deal, we have the ARV set around 171. I'm going to make an offer today on the property for $95,000, which gives us a rehab budget set at $20,000 max. So we'll have about 115 tied into the project total. We're looking to list for around 169, and I hope you guys really took a lot from that. In real estate is something that anybody can do. I don't think I'm anyone special. I'm no one different than anyone watching this video. I just have a passion to convey to you guys exactly, how to reduce, your actions in real estate, how to leverage your time more appropriately, how to obtain the resources that you need to be successful in this industry. You know, I don't have any type of crazy degree or anything like that, but I've done a multitude of boot camps and seminars, of course. But I'm glad to say for the 18 years I have been educating myself for real estate, that I'm happy to bring a lot of this knowledge to you guys. So definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, I'm going to keep you posted on this offer. I'm going to be making the offer here pretty shortly. So whatever the seller comes back with, like I said, I'm not budging on a 95. It has a furnace, has the water heater all the way, it has a shower in there. So my costs are going to be very minimum on this particular property. I do have some cabinets laying around that will fit exactly in there, so it's another tactic. Anytime you have an opportunity to buy materials, even if you don't need it at that time, buy it, because you'll find another way or another reason to use it. Okay? So appreciate everyone and your time for watching these videos here. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to us. Again, we have boot camps that we're running on a monthly to bi-weekly basis. So that's for anyone who's introducing themselves into real estate. These are open to beginners, either intermediate, or anyone who is just looking to make a change in their real estate investing career. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll check you on the next one.